Today I will show you how to make beautiful star made in Romanian Point Lace technique. For work you need mat, make a picture in real size, cotton yarn, ready cord, yarn with lurex, pins, crochet hook, beads, scissors, and sewing needle. We divide our work on some parts. Make a picture in real size, pin it on a mat, then I'm pinning a cord in the shape of the star, then sew places of contiguity and filling up all three places with chaotic mesh. Then make the middle part, then crochet the trim. Let's begin the work. Before I made a cord, its length is 1 meter. I begin from this point and work in this direction. And so on. I have already pinned my cord. Then I sew at this point. Then you should sew all places of contiguity, here and here, here and here. I have sewn all places of contiguity and the beginning and the end of the cord. Now I show you how to fill in up all three places with fill-in stitches. We are working on the front side. Let's begin the work. With the needle, go through the loop of the cord. With the needle, go through the loop of the cord. With the needle, go through the next loop in this side. And with the needle, go through the loop on the opposite side. With the needle, go through the loop. With the needle, go through the loop. Continue working in this way till the end of the space. I have done all strings. I work it from the bottom to the up, and with the needle go through the stitches of the cord, then go with the needle go under the all threads. With the needle go through the stitches. Now I'm working from the top to the bottom. We skip 2 threads, 1, 2, and with the needle go under the middle thread. With the needle go under the thread 1, two, three, and 4. Work with next 2 threads. With the needle go under the middle thread. With the needle go under the middle thread. Go back. With the needle go under the middle thread. With the needle, go under the middle thread 1, 2, 3, and 4. Work with next 2 threads. With the needle, go under the middle thread, then we skip 2 threads and work with middle one. I have done all stitches. Now I am working with the middle part of the project. I draw 2 beads. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. Like this. The size you determine by yourself. Draw 2 beads. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. I pin this stitch and pin the second one. Then you should continue till the end of this round. I have done all stitches. In each stitch, for each stitch, I draw 2 beads. Now, with the needle, go through the bead, like this. With the needle, go through the stitch in the middle and remove the pin. With the needle, go through the next stitch in the middle and continue working in this way till the end of this round. Like this. I have done the second round. With the needle, go under the last stitch with the needle, go through the bead and with the needle, go through the stitches and with the needle, go through the stitches. The middle part is done. Now I show you how to make the trim for the cords. Insert the hook into the loop. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Make a chain. Make single crochet into each stitch. Let's repeat again. Make single crochet into each loop of the cord. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, and continue the work. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done trim for all parts of the star or snowflake. Thanks for watching.